welcome to the channel. Today we start a new serial to restore this wonderful vintage original super rare Porsche 9, which is the 934. In this video I will show you how to strip out the body even if there are some glued parts. Some are no more glued. This is very old and perhaps the glue was not so good, fortunately. Others are with screws, very easy. This is a very nice work. I love this kind of works because this is a challenge. What can I do? Until where I can go. Comment, like and subscribe. This is the situation. Doors are mounted with clips and the window that is damaged is mounted with screws. Mirror easy. Door handle easy, but I need somewhere to put this part. Reuse 1, 2 glasses. This is the under part of this, and this door, this is no more there, this is no more there, in front. Slowly, very slowly. This is old plastic, you can break it. Okay. What a long screw. One. Over this screw there's a little bit of plastic, and this screw is in bad conditions, so I will change it. Perhaps I have it. Wow, it's very difficult, this. This is a work that takes a lot of time. You can't say, if you have to be paid for this, you can't do a price, because sometimes just for one screw like this one you have to fight a lot, because this turns but doesn't come out. So I have to find a way. And perhaps for a screw you lose 1 hour. Okay, this is at risk, but it moves, fortunately. Then I have to clean. You see the screw made this damage. And what's that? Wow! And this too. This glue was terrible. Make a hole, LID. I'm tempted. This. Every part came out just pressing. Oh. Oh. And this knot later. This top. Fantastic. This made my work very easy. Here there's a missing part. Look at this. All broken. If you buy a static body set, this is the same. So, spare parts can be found. I love this work. It's very similar to the real one. I made with real cars. Things like this. Look at this, full of glue. Here maybe I make an upgrade. And this inside. Not so difficult, because the glue was not good and is old. Here. Tack. This is a problem because the glue well, and why not this one too? No. Better not to insist or force things. There's always the way. Tack. The rear window. And this is not, this is a modern screw. I have to see on instructions and replace this with the right one. And you see here, there's the way to fix this, and I will show you in the videos. By now we just undo everything. this is very easy. This work, I thought it was harder to. And you see the color of the plastic is green, so this means that this is the real vintage body, the correct body. The static one was white. Nice, very nice. Then these gummy parts that are just so easy to take off. Nice, silver. Yes, better to take out, because this I can wash perfectly. If there's something, it's not so easy. And now these are very important. And how do they are mounted on? Pressure or glue? Glue. One and the other go here. Well, the thing is that a real Porsche, if you strip down a real Porsche, it's quite the same. It's fantastic. And now the bonnet, I would like to, but it's so hardly glued. I don't want to damage the body, so I will leave the bonnet on. And I will polish it carefully. So this remains on the car, and these two chrome parts, if they can here there's some work to do. This could be very risky. That's why I hate this kind of screws. I have to lift the piece while I undo the screw in order to let it come out. Let me see. Okay. Terrible screws. Lost a piece. Here, one. And the other one. Okay. 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 Except for the bonnet, the car is stripped. And now I will show you something. This is the body. These are all the pieces for this wonderful body. And now, piece by piece, I have to clean, to watch carefully, to refit, and then when the whole body will be refitted, and the last thing will be with this super polish. This is really fantastic for real cars. Reassemble. And for today I think this is enough. And for today this is it. The work started and it will be a long journey because there are a lot of pieces to be refitted. There are a lot of things to do before arriving to the chassis. About the chassis, I would like to have it working exactly as the original one. Not so easy because some technology up to now is lost and I have to rebuild it. The battery pack for the receiver, perhaps I will use a BAC. It's modern than this, but it's important to have the weights on the car as Tamiya projected. Well, but this is something for the future. By now, please don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe, and up to the next with the body. Ciao!